Hello guys, today I want to be making my first review of Aliexpress. I buy a lot of stuff on Aliexpress. Actually, I shop online a lot, and I opened the product and I decided, why not, let other people see what you can get from Aliexpress. So sorry about that. I already cut the package, and I decided, you know what, let's start a YouTube channel showing the stuff that I buy from AliExpress, things that I have bought in the past, and to start this channel so you guys can see. I am not sure what they call this. I can't remember the name of it. As you can see, I cut it already, and I said, okay, let me just put it on video so you guys can see. It is like computer knobs. I saw it on AliExpress a while back, and I just thought, oh, it's really nice in my apartment, because our apartment, it's all black and white, and I thought, oh, this is black, it's nice, I can put it somewhere to match the apartment. The wrapping, it came good. The wrapping was pretty good. It was not excellent, but I don't see any damages on it. This is how it looks. Side, there wasn't any styrofoam, any hard protecting elements there, so you can crumble it. I'm really surprised that there wasn't damage on the product, but it's okay. Let me cut it now, the plastic, to see how it actually looks. Oh, as you can see, it's pretty nice. I like it. It's black. The quality is pretty good for the price I paid for it. I think I paid less than 10 bucks. It's the Dell. If you have a laptop or any computer, you have the Dell sign, the Alt sign, and the Ctrl. So it's a pretty nice themed computer keys, mimicking the keyboard. I like it. It's really nice. And this is the bottom part. It's not soft, it's hard plastic, and the quality is really good, in my opinion. For the price, I don't think you can beat it, and for our apartment, it matches really well. It's a cool product. I'm happy about it. So this is how it would look. Really happy about it. And I can just leave it on my table. Yep, I can leave it like this, and it matches. I think it makes really good snack bowls. Really good snack bowls. I think it needs to wash a little bit though. I think that's my biggest complaint. You can see in the corners it's a little bit dirty. I don't think they were very careful with packaging it, but these things happen. I am not one that likes to complain about all these little stuff. It happens. It can be washed. Let's check the others, see if I see anything else there. This one is clean. You see the camera trying to focus on it. It's pretty clean. So it's this one. Sorry guys, the camera seems to be having a little bit trouble focusing, but as you can see, it's pretty clean. It's really clean. These others, yeah, it's slightly dusty here. Actually no, probably it's from me touching other stuff. This one seems to be the dirtiest one. I am seeing slight scratching here. I don't believe it's nothing that can be rubbed off. You know, I'll give it a good wash, and that's it. So thank you guys. This was my first review of AliExpress product, and I'll be making much more videos because I buy a lot of stuff from AliExpress. Not just AliExpress, I bought a lot of stuff in the past from online, so I will try to review these products to show you what you can get, and the ones we cannot get, I'll try to make videos showing you what to buy and how you can buy them. Okay, thank you for watching.